Yep, go down. Up.
I don't want to slow.
She knows what she's doing,
Put your
Maria.
hands down.
Maria, you need to stay out of the way.
Sorry. Bend your knees and bring your feet back a little bit. Put your hands down, look where you're going, and bring your feet back. Bend your knees a little bit. That's it. Look where you're going. Look where you're going. Eyes up. Eyes up. Do you need me to fix something? No. Lean back. Lean back. Say whoa. Lean back. Pull back. What's up? This needs to be here.
I don't need it there.
I don't need it there.
Do it again. Okay. Up. Oopsie daisy.
Okay, those are my feet.
Easy. Slow, slow. Stop clucking. No. No, not funny. No more Maggie.
Huh?
You gotta go slowly.